Telangana Intermediate Civics Political Science, how to clear intermediate public exam, how to score 90 plus, how to work smarter rather than harder. Having a backlog, a golden opportunity to clear Civics 1, a golden opportunity for the first year student to score 95 plus. To know how, watch the video till end. Telangana State Board of Intermediate has reduced the political science into first year syllabus to 70% and 30% of the syllabus has been reduced. Which chapters to read? Which are important answers to read? What is paper weightage? Which are important chapters? So I'm going to discuss all these topics in this video. So the question paper includes 9 chapters, 6 essay answers, 16 short answers, 25 very short answers, out of which we have to answer any 3 essay answers, 8 short answers, and 15 very short answers. 3 chapters can change your life. If you want to score 71%, then these chapters are said to be perfect. 8 essays will lead to 30 marks, and 14 short answers will give you 40 marks. This will happen if you will read only 3 chapters. Yes, you heard right. 3 chapters for essays, 4 chapters for short answers, and only 1 chapter for very short answers. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel TS Toppers. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and I would like to tell you that many of the students might be having backlogs in Telangana Intermediate first year civics, that is political science. And for the past year and this year, academic year, the syllabus has been reduced to 70%, and the 30% of the syllabus has been reduced. So let us first go through the syllabus. The first chapter is introduction introduction to political science. Then next comes state. Okay, then next comes chapter number 4, that is political concepts. Then next comes important political ideologies. Then next comes rights and duties. Then next comes democracy. Next secularism. Next constitution. Next organs of the government. As we all know that syllabus has been reduced to 70%, this is a very lucky period, or we can say this is a golden opportunity to score in the examination, because in the past the paper pattern was for 100 marks. Yes, it is for 100 marks for today as well, but in the previous years you have to write 3 essays out of 5 questions, but now they are giving 6 essays and we have to write in 3 of them. Okay, let us discuss some syllabus and paper weightage. Yes, so TS Inter First Year Civics Political Science for the academic year 2021 to 2022, syllabus plus paper weightage. So the first chapter is introduction, and one question of 10 marks is going to appear. One question of 10 marks is going to appear in the examination, and one question from 5 marks, and 2 questions from very short answer. So the second chapter, that is state, the first will be 10 marks question, then next short questions, that is for 5 marks, and 2 questions will be appear in the question paper, and next is 3 very short answers. Okay, then next comes political concepts. There is no 10 marks or essay question from political concepts, that is fourth chapter. So 3 questions from short questions. Okay, 3 questions short questions from this chapter, and 3 questions very short answers. Okay, next, our fifth chapter, important political ideologies. So one question will be appear in the examination for 10 marks, and no questions for the short answers, and 3 very short answers questions. Then next comes rights and duties. So the first 10 marks question will appear from this chapter. Then next two questions of 5 marks will appear from this chapter. Then next two very short answer questions. Then next comes democracy, one essay, two short and three very short. Next comes secularism, no essay, one short, two very short. And then next comes constitution, two short and three very short. Next comes organs of government, one essay will be appear from this. In this lesson, there are three subtopics, that is legislative, executive and judiciary. Okay, two short questions and next three very short questions. Okay, so total question is 10 6 mark question will be appear in the question paper, and you have to write only three out of them. The next 16 short question and answers will appear in the question paper for the IPE Civics or Political Science 2022 March 27, and we have to write any 8 out of it. And 25 very short answers will be going to appear in the question paper, and we have to write any 15. This is the weightage. Okay, now let us see the marks, total marks. So the from the first chapter we were going to get 19 marks, second chapter 26 marks, third chapter 21 marks, fourth chapter, fifth chapter 16 marks, sixth chapter 24 marks, then next eighth chapter 27 marks, then next ninth chapter 9 marks, then next constitution 10th chapter 16 marks, and 11th chapter 26 marks. So totally the question paper will be for 183 marks, and we have to attempt for 100 marks. As I mentioned earlier, that many of the people has a backlogs as well, and so if most of the people actually who takes a CEC as a course in intermediate, they feel that it is very easy, but isn't it? If you just want to clear the examination and score at least 70 percentile or percentage in the examinations, you have to read complete three chapters. Oh, yes, you heard that. Only three chapters make you gain 70% in the examinations. And what are those three chapters? Let us see. The first chapter is this. The first chapter is the fourth chapter. Okay, fourth chapter. So we are getting three 5 marks questions, that is 15 marks. The next three short answers is, that is a very short answers, that is 6 marks. So we are overall getting 21 marks. Fine. Then next comes sixth chapter, that is rights and duties. Okay, rights and duties, one essay 10 marks, two short 10 marks, plus two very short 4 marks. So we are getting 24 marks out of it. And the next chapter is eighth chapter, that is democracy, and it is very easy chapter. So the first for question will be for the 10 marks, we will getting 10 marks, and the next two questions for 5 marks, that is 10 marks, and three questions of 2 marks, that is 6 marks. So overall we are getting 26 marks. So just add this three, 21, 24, and 26, you're going to get 71 marks. Okay, just for three chapters. And this is the study strategy which I supposed to teach you. I do agree that civics is not an interesting subject as when compared to economics or commerce or accountancy. So many of the people does not have any interest in reading or writing a civics, okay, political science. So for them, I would suggest just read these three chapters, and I'm gonna teach every question in these three chapters. And I would like to welcome all the people who just want to score at least 70% and read the three chapters. They are welcome, and I would like to welcome those people who want to score our top in the CEC in the first year civics political science. I do welcome them. So do comment. I have already said this. These three chapters are important. What are the important questions in these chapters? What are the important short answers, very short answers, and essay answers? So I'm gonna cover all these topics only and only if you will comment that you want to listen us know more information about the question paper pattern and all the things related to the IPE 2022. Okay. For the students who want to top in the examination, I would like to suggest that 3 chapters are enough for 10 marks. Okay. The next 4 chapters, that's enough for 5 marks. And only one chapter is enough for 2 marks question, and you will get 100 marks attempt to know how do comment and like.